Okay, so just to have a recap of what I've done, I have this opened in Photoshop. This is a reference of a hand which I have saved, no, and downloaded from the internet, regardless, no, regardless of the hand's gender, kung ito ay, whether it's from a girl or boy, no. The important thing is we have the hand features such as the fingers, the nails, and the palms, the back fist, the wrist itself. And we also have the different views or dimensions being viewed from it. The backhand, the palm, the blade or pinky, and the thumb area. So all of those are covered in this reference. So that's why I have it downloaded. So na-download ko na siya. I have it downloaded here. Asan ba yun? Yeah. And I have it saved in my base mesh folder. So after that, I opened it now in Photoshop. Now, to be consistent or to have consistency in your references, you do it this way. You do the croppings this way. I'll select or I'll create a selection and then I'll just right click it. Using the marquee tools, I'll create a selection, right click it, and I'll choose my um, transform selection. And from here, holding shift, I can start fitting it into my reference. Let's say until here, that will be fine with me. Now I can just enter, I can copy this, I can go to my new file and press that. Save it into my computer. So let's say this is going to be save a copy, JPEG, and this is going to be hand. Let's say palm, save. Next is I will be using the same selection. So the good thing about Photoshop transform selections, now I can just easily move it because it is of the same measurement of selection. So I can just fit it, yeah, with my, so they're just the same measurement. If I copy this, I can even paste it here directly. Di ba? I can turn it to multiply and see. They're aligned naman. Di ba? So I can go back. Now, I can just do this. I can save as, file, save as in the computer, save a copy. So in my base mesh folder, JPEG, this is going to be hand back. So this is the back of the hand. Saving it, closing. I will close it now because don't need it anymore. These two are going to have a different measurement. Let's say the bladed portion. Diba? I can press Alt to deselect or create a smaller version of the selection. Yeah. And then I will just right click, copy, or sorry, copy, Control C, file new, Control V, save, mhm, save a copy, JPEG. So this is going to be hand, pinky. So this is going to be the pinky side. And then dito, hmm, Copy, Control V, there, saving it, my computer, JPEG, hand, thumb, save. Now I can close this. Nope, there. Okay, so next is, with this done, I can set up the reference of the hand, no? Now this is going to be your choice, class. If you want to set up the reference of the hand into this existing scene or into this original base mesh file, that is fine with me. I'm okay with that. Pero let's say I want to set it up on a separate file. That's the thing. I want to model a separate hand file. Because marami na akong visual hindrances, there are a lot of polygons here that can hinder my site as I model. So that's what I would like to do. I would like to model in an empty scene. So I will just close this, I'll save it, and then I will run a new Maya file or Maya scene. I'll just click that, Maya, and let's run a new scene file. There. Yeah. So I'll run a new one. And then I'll immediately go to save, file, save as, and I'll go to desktop. I'll go to my base mesh, and I will name this hand underscore base. So this is going to be a base hand for any model or any base mesh model for you in the future. Just save that. Then space bar. Now we're ready. So the procedure is going to be the same. Paulit-ulit lang. So here in the perspective view, I'll go to create. Now, let me align ko muna first how the hand references are going to look. Gusto ko, nakikita ko ito sa camera front view. Then pagka tumalikod siya, gusto ko ito nakikita ko sa camera back view. So let's just test it first. It's appearing correct naman. Tama nga ba? So I think I need to flip this. I-flip ko to, x-axis, -1, ayun. So when I see this, ayun. Di ba? So this is going to be hand back for the back camera. Now, ngayon, since nandoon, the pinky, tama, the pinky is supposed to be seen here at this view. Then, at this view, second side view, ito, if i-flip ko rin itong, ano na to, di ba? Because the thumb is not It's not facing there. I'll do another negative one. Ayun. Mhm. Pero ito, this is going to be seen at the side view. And we will create a new side view for this. Okay. So how do we do that? Let us now position our views. So doon muna tayo sa existing views class. Doon muna tayo sa existing views. So ang existing views natin is si front view. So this is going to be seen only at the front view camera. So sorry. So i-atlas ko pala ito, no. Let me push this back. Yan, dito pala sa atlas. And then the back view is going to be here. Palit nga pala sila. There. Okay, so what I'll do next is, again, I'll just go to my attributes. Seselect ko uli ang aking front view palm. I'll go to my looking through camera and I'll go to my front. So dun lang siya makikita. Hindi na siya nakikita sa perspective. And then ito naman si side view. Yan. Itong side view na to, which is the pinky side view. Dito siya makikita. So therefore, looking through camera, dito siya sa side makikita. Yan. Next, gagawa ngayon ako ng, let's say, back view. So sa back view, I'll go to my, I'll go to my, attributes. And then I'll go here to my looking through camera. Wala. Perspective pa rin siya. So what I'll go do is, balik ko muna siya sa all views. I'll go here sa aking panels, perspective, panels, orthographic, and then I'll create a new view, which is going to be the back. And then the back view, there it is, looking through camera, and I'll select back one. Ayan. Diba? So, turning off the grid, clearly, hindi na sila naghaharangan sa isa't isa. Diba? And then, ito na lamang. So, let's try having panels, orthographic. Let's try a new one. Side. That is the left side. Let's try this having the right side. Let's undo that. Let's try panels, orthographic, left side. Ayun. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then I'll select this. Let's check muna. Attributes. Looking through selected left. Sorry for that. Ayun. Okay, so there it is. Okay. Now just checking class. I have my references ready here. Front. So the next thing that I will do now is I have my references ready. Ulitin ko lang my thumb, siguro by accident or by shortcut, I have slided this. Ito yung color gain niya. Ayan baka na-drag or na-click ko kanina, sorry. Next thing, now I have my references. Let me just hide. Control H, hide. Yan, my cameras. Because the next thing that will happen here is I will now import my object. Yan. So, i-import natin yung ating object class.